Hello everyone, welcome back to Imo Math Club. Today we have a nice exponential problem that is 3 to the power x plus 9 to the power x plus 27 to the power x is equal to 84. Our job is to find the value of x, but remember that here and this x is actually the element of real number. X is the element of real number. Now starting our solution, 3 to the power x plus this 9 can also be written as 3 squared whole to the power x plus 27 is written as 3 cubed whole to the power x is equal to 84. Now we know that by exponential identity, if we have a to the power m whole to the power n, then it can be written as a to the power n whole to the power m. So there will be no difference. Now we just write 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x whole squared, applying this identity here, and plus 3 to the power x whole cubed is equal to 84. Now our next step will be, here let us consider this 3 to the power x, 3 to the power x and 3 to the power x. This is equal to 3 to the power x is equal to m. 3 to the power x is equal to m. So now substituting this value here, then we get m plus m squared plus m cubed, and this 84 can also be written as 64 plus 16 and plus 4. We get 84. Now shifting these expressions here, so we have m, if we just writing this m cubed first and then m squared and then plus m, so shifting this one we have minus 64 minus 16 minus 4 is equal to 0. Now here we have, by writing m cubed with minus 64 we get a nice algebraic formula. So here making first pair, here we have plus m squared and this minus 16, it is our second pair, and plus m minus 4, it is our third pair, which is equal to 0. Now m cubed minus 64 can also be written as 4 cubed, and here m squared minus 4 squared is equal to 16, and here if we just write plus 1 is common, so we have m minus 4 is equal to 0. Now applying that algebraic formulas, so we have here our first formula is this a cubed minus b cubed, so a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b times a squared plus a times b plus b squared, and here we get a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. Now applying these formulas here, so this step will be m cubed minus 4 cubed is m minus 4 times m squared, and here we get plus 4 times m and plus 4 squared. Similarly here we have plus m plus 4 times m minus 4 and plus 1 times m minus 4 is equal to 0. Now here we have that m minus 4 and m minus 4 is common, so taking m minus 4 is common, then inside bracket we have m squared plus 4 times m plus 4 squared is 16, and plus m plus 4, here we have plus 1 is equal to 0. Now our next step will be m minus 4 times m squared plus 4m plus m is plus 5m, and 16 plus 4 20 plus 1 is 21, which is equal to 0. Now we have two possible cases, that m minus 4 is equal to 0 and m squared plus 4m plus 21 is equal to 0. From first equation we have m is equal to 4. Here we get the value of m, which is a real value, that m is equal to 4. Now for this solving this one, we have to just find out the determinant first. So here we see that the value of a is 1, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 21. Now finding the determinant of this equation. Now to find the delta or determinant, then we get b squared minus 4 times a times c. So determinant is equal to b is here 5 squared minus 4 times a is 1, c is 21. So we get determinant is equal to 5 squared is 25 minus 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So 25 minus 84 is actually minus 59. But here determinant we see that it is minus 59, which is less than 0. Then we will get the negative value here. So negative value of 0 here, negative value of this determinant, this negative value we get the complex solution. Finally we get the complex solution here, but we have to write the value of x, that is here x is element of real number. Here we get the complex solution, so it is rejected. This equation is going to be rejected. Now we have to take the value of m, which is real, that is m is equal to 4. Now m is equal to 4, but we have just supposed that 3 to the power x is equal to m. Here we have 3 to the power x is equal to m, and sorry, here we write that m, so it is 3 to the power x. Here it is 3 to the power x, so 3 to the power x is equal to m. Now here we have 3 to the power x is equal to value of m is 4. Now taking log on both hand side, we get log 3 to the power x is equal to log 4. Now applying logarithm law, as we know that log a to the power m is equal to m log a. So here we have x log 3 is equal to log 4. Now dividing both hand side by log 3, this log 3 is cancelled out, we get the value of x, which is x is equal to, here we are going to use logarithm law. If we have log a over log b, then it is equal to log a to base b. So here log 4 to base 3, it is the value of x. Now we are going to just verify our result here. So for verification, we have to check our problem. Our problem is 3 to the power x plus 9 to the power x plus 27 to the power x is equal to 84. Here the value of x is log 4 to base 3. So 3 to the power log 4 to base 3 plus 9 can be written as 3 squared times the value of x is log 4 to base 3 plus this 27 is 3 cubed times value of x is log 4 to base 3 is it equal to 84. So here we have that 3 to the power log 4 to base 3 plus shifting this to here, then we get 3 to the power log 4 squared to base 3 plus 3 to the power shifting this 3 here, then we get 3 to the power log 4 cubed to base 3 is it equal to 84. Now using logarithm law, as we know that if we have a to the power log b to base a, then it is equal to b. Then this will be equal to this 4 plus it is 4 squared plus here it is 4 cubed is it equal to 84. Now 4 plus 4 squared is 16, 4 cubed is, that is 64. So we have our result, that is 64 is it equal to 84. Now here we get 16 plus 4 is 20 plus 64 is 84. So 84 is equal to 84. Hence our left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we have proved that the value of x is valid for this problem. Hence it is our final answer. Log 4 to base 3 is the value of x. So we are going to just check our entire solution here. And don't forget, it is 3 to the power x is equal to m. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.